Welcome to another installment in our series on answering your English grammar questions. And today's question, what is the adjective order? What is the adjective order? And this makes me think about a song that was quite popular many years ago. And it went something like, it was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. This song springs to my mind when we think about the question, what is the adjective order? So the short answer is, and the grammatical answer is, that the adjective order is the usual sequence in which adjectives are usually placed before a noun in English. The different adjectives do different jobs, right? They tell you about the color of something, about the size, about the age, and so forth. So the sequence that is recommended to us can be found in this sentence. She bought a lovely, small, old, round, blue Italian ceramic decorative vase. Wow, so many adjectives in one sentence, and we almost never do it like this. But keep in mind that this is for example purposes, right? So the lovely vase, lovely is opinion. We can say the vase is lovely or ugly. Small refers to the size, adjective about size, small, medium, or large, or even miniature vase. We can talk about the age, that's another adjective. Age of the vase, old, or recently made, or ancient. We talk about the shape, the color, the origin being Italian, it could be Greek, it could be Chinese. The material from which the vase is made, in this case ceramic, and the purpose of the vase, it's used for decoration, decorative. So the order of adjective is first opinion, then size, then age, then shape, and so on. And this is perhaps a little bit confusing, so let's see if I can make it a little bit easier. We can use a sentence that uses the first letter of each word, and we can say, one silly alligator sings cheerfully on Monday's program, the radio or TV program, whatever you want to imagine. One silly alligator sings cheerfully on Monday's program. So one stands for opinion, silly stands for size, alligator stands for age, and so on. This helps us to remember, I want to say, the job of the adjective, right? To describe opinion, size, age, or whatever. And it also helps us to memorize rather easily the sequence of adjectives. Now, we almost never have such a long sentence, right? Containing exactly every one. He lives in a beautiful, large, old, rectangular, brown, Victorian wooden guest house. We don't talk like this, and we don't really write like this. We might say, he lives in a large, brown, Victorian house. All right, that's perfectly fine to write it like that. But we still have beautiful, brown, and Victorian following the order or the sequence of adjectives. Now there's a grammar alert, of course, this is English grammar, so there are exceptions, and the order may be flexible. And this depends on context, emphasis, style, and even regional preferences, but for our purposes, we can leave those for another time and place. For now, the order is fine as recommended. Please remember to subscribe. You will find more videos like this. Thank you for watching.